YouTube completely changed my life, and I had only 500 subscribers. Most people think that you need thousands of subscribers to make some money on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made $2,000 per month with only 500 subscribers. So look, I know we all came here kind of for the same reason. I've been on YouTube now for about 6 months. I just started this new channel so I can help new creators because I kind of stumbled upon this thing where I figured something out that really works very well. So I wanted to start on social media because I wanted more freedom. I knew social media was a great way to make a digital income, and it can be pretty lucrative if you played your cards right on it. So I was just like you at the same time watching someone making a video just like this. I was struggling, I was in debt, I was in a hardship. I didn't know where to go next. I didn't know what my purpose was. I didn't know anything until I turned on the camera and I just started. So look, I know there's this common misconception where it's also true that YouTube requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before they will monetize you to be able to pay you from Google AdSense. That's completely true. But a lot of people don't understand this, that you can actually monetize your channel without having any subscribers. The way that you're going to do this is a mindset shift. Instead of waiting for YouTube AdSense, you want to focus on building an audience that trusts you and that you constantly are giving value to. That's how you'll build an audience and a big group of people that like, trust, respect you, and want to do business with you. So there's 3 steps, and they're simple steps that you want to follow in order to make your money quickly on YouTube as a beginner. And the first thing is you need to choose a niche. The type of niche that you need to pick that's going to be specific to you, your desires, your likes, your wants, your needs, things like that. Something that you're expert in or something that you're knowledgeable in that you can teach people about, inspire people with, and help others in some way. Now, with this niche, you want to make sure you're building trust fast. By that, you're going to do that by providing value. You're going to provide so much value, you're going to give it all away. Help people with this, help people with that. In there, answering comments, answering questions, making video responses, things like that. That's how you're going to build that trust fast. And then the third thing is you're going to create a simple offer. So your offer is going to be this. Now, you don't have to go this route if you don't want to, but I did, and it was completely free. I used Calendly, and then I used Zoom. So I had people asking me questions in the comment section, and they were sending me emails, which I put my email up there and had people send me emails. I was getting hundreds of questions, okay? So then those questions turned into coaching. I put a Calendly, and Calendly is a software where you can basically put your calendar link in your description and then have people click on it, and when they open it up, it's your calendar. So then they can schedule a time to meet with you. You can do a coaching call or discovery call. Okay, so you want to use some type of appointment scheduling program. It doesn't have to be Calendly. That's what I used, and it's free. That's how you schedule it, but then you're going to need something where you can do some type of face-on-face or one-to-one face call. So it can be like a FaceTime, Snapchat, Facebook, but I used Zoom. Okay, so Zoom is also free, and it'll give you free for 30 minutes, I believe. And I think it gives you 10 minutes extra, so 40 minutes. You can do a 40-minute free call with Zoom. So I started off by charging a low ticket per call, $99 per call, per coaching call, okay? So, but then what I did was in that coaching call, I gave them a lot of value, but then I said, hey, if you wanna go deeper with me and you wanna do something for a month, up to 3 months long, then I offer these coaching programs. And then the coaching programs were $700 up to $2,000, $2,500, okay? So I had a lot of people choose the 1 month coaching call. And what that did was it gave like a coaching call on a Zoom call per week, 1 or 2 per week. And then I gave them some hands-on things. We worked on calls and templates and role playing, and I tweaked their emails and tweaked phone calls, just things like that. Wrote deals out for them, just whatever it was, you can do the same thing. So in that coaching call, what you want to do is help them with something specific in the niche that you chose. Now, here's the deal. It's very quick to get to $2,000, $3,000, even up to $10,000 just in coaching calls. Here's 4 things that I did. 1, I started mentioning these coaching calls in every video. And this is important because once you start getting really good at making videos and you start having a lot of people attracted to your videos and watching your videos, say you get a video that gets 9,000 views, well, say 10% of those people want to reach out to you and work with you. Now, 10% may be high, but let's say 5. That's 450 people. Now, if 400 people pay you $100, you can just do the math on that. Okay, next, you want to use the pinned comment. So you want to do a comment there and you want to pin it to the top and you want to mention something about your coaching that you're offering. And then you want to put your Calendly link in your video description. Put it way at the top. So as soon as they click the description, they can see all your links. You want to make sure you're engaging with your audience, answering all the questions, like I said, giving likes, giving thumbs up, doing video responses. But then once you get into those coaching calls, you just want to make sure you're delivering as much value as possible. Even if they don't want to take it further with you, just do it because you're planting the seed. Eventually, they'll want to work with you. So if you can take away anything from this video right now, these 4 biggest lessons is what I learned. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make money with YouTube. Your audience doesn't care about production value, production quality. They only care about the value you provide to them. You have to be clear about how people can get in contact with you and work with you. There has to be a clear offer there. And 4, people will absolutely pay you for your knowledge and pay you for a clear path to a quicker success. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. I'll be posting more videos on here on how to grow and monetize your channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Go ahead and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you. Bye.